Hey, we are gonna see how to change your phone's fonts and sizes. I am using a Samsung Galaxy. Although settings might differ, the concept is the same. Feel free to try this on any other phone. Go to Settings and look for Accessibility Settings. Then go to Vision and finally go to Font and Screen Zoom. There you will be able to change the font and size settings. These are settings you might be able to change, which are the size of the letters, the font of the letters, and the screen zoom. This box shows you what it will look like. As you can see, the font of every letter in my phone has now changed. Remember, settings may be different for some phones. Just search font and settings, then the settings will be available. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.